I'm doing one more test today. My Gopro 6 that I have there. And I have my Zoom H1. So we're going to try the sound from the GoPro. How is the sound? And we're going over between the Zoom H1 and we can see how the sound is. Because they are never good. It's like the cheap ones. They suck really good. And the GoPro, we're going to test it now. And it's like, whoa! Yeah, how is the sound on the GoPro? How is the H1 sound? And if you're whispering and if you're talking like this, yeah. And what happens if you try to swim? I'm not swimming with that one, so yeah, this is a small little test and like, whoa! Yeah, how is the sound on the GoPro? How is the H1 sound? And if you're whispering and if you're talking like this, yeah. And what happens if you try to swim? I'm not swimming with that one, so yeah, this is a small little test and now I will go and edit that one and then I put it up on YouTube so you can see the sound between H1 and the GoPro sound. See ya. Bye.